once I felt like it was necessary, and I think at the time it's necessary to say this. I found a pretty cool beat, I found a pretty cool track, so I might just keep going. Might let you listen to this track, so, well, here it goes. I don't know, fuck it, listen. Rapping artistically is the pencil in my hand. I can't explain it, but this motherfucker's in command. Wristbands on, this shit is all unplanned. Kick stands out, enjoying this once-in-a-lifetime wonderland. Imagination, that's the lesson. Close your eyes, hearing is your vision. This is the medication to change your view into this music. This is the conclusion, no more irritation, just intoxication. But what do I know, my name is just Aaron. Double A to the rhyme, try not to misspell it. That name alone, get your attention, pass it around the circle, it's a new session. Straighten up, motherfucker, and listen. While I summon this goblin, all of a sudden he gets shot down with one handgun. Just trying to prove I have my demons under control, in charge of my life role. Cartoon characters flying high on my flagpole. Childish games keeping me young, lights light up my insole. These are new shoes, still kicking rocks, making sound effects. Happy as hell, brainless. Ring the doorbell, just got here to say farewell. Don't take it personal, don't wanna miss show and tell to show off what I made. Swell, verbal, pastel, gazelle.
Yeah. I think it was pretty cool. I like it. I like that beat. You understand what I was getting at? I don't know. If you didn't, let me just start again. Here, this is something else.
Everybody has a purpose, life's already laid out for them. If you don't know what's coming your way, hang in there, you got this, no need to stress. This shit is all a replay, follow through what's in your DNA. Dig deep, listen to your heart, fuck that other shit, no need to fiend when you're doing something you love. Even if you need a little shove, let that talent fall out, bare hands, raising above. Haters come, wash them away, brand new bar of Dove. Keeping it smell good clean, but fuck it around, having fun back when you were in a preteen. But try not to cause a scene, everyone's here to have a good time. No need to rage over that caffeine, live your life as it was foreseen. Doesn't seem that hard, guys. I'm just like, that's my opinion, but I think it makes sense.